What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove and reinstall the auxiliary port on this 2010 Toyota Rav4. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1AAuto.com. Just take a straight blade screwdriver or a trim tool, just pry underneath on the side of this panel right here. There's some clips right there, and two on the other side. You can disconnect the connectors right here. Just use the screwdriver or just use your finger and then push on this button as well. Pull that connector out. And you can take the straight blade screwdriver or pocket screwdriver, just push on that little clip right there and pull this up. Now this is slotted, so it only goes in one way. It goes in like this. So this is actually upside down for whatever reason. Lock that in place. Take the connectors, reconnect the connector right there, reconnect the auxiliary connector, lock it in place, and take this housing, line it up, lock it down.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.